Hello, this is Miss Janet with JLS Success Central, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Your continued support just galvanizes us to continue to bring you up-to-date, verifiable information that you can use when making business and credit decisions. Once again, thank you for watching this video and keep coming back. Okay, today's video is going to be about obtaining a business loan, in particular from Idea Financial. Idea Financial is a direct lender. Now, at JLS Success Central, we tend to gravitate towards direct lenders, but we're learning that, you know what, in order to obtain your financial goals, you might have to have a mix of financial tools in your toolbox. Alternative lending for small businesses. Well, that could be a merchant cash advance, that could be an online loan, or a short-term loan. Now, those loans, typically you have to pay them weekly or bi-weekly, and they take the funds directly from your bank account, especially the merchant cash advance loans. Now, you have your loans that where you use brokers. Oftentimes, they can find opportunities for your niche, for your specific financial situation and goal. So what I'm saying is you have to have a multiplicity of financial tools available to you. And whenever you need to, use them. Okay? All right. Let's talk about Idea Financial. Now, as I said, this is a direct lender. And you can borrow up to $250,000. Now, many of you are not looking for $250,000, but say you need to borrow $25,000. Well, here we are. You need $10,000. Here we are. A direct lender, that means they underwrite these loans themselves. They're like a bank or a credit union. All right, they're not a middleman or a third party or anything like that. So they have their criteria is a little bit more stringent than it would be when you're working with the broker. But let's just delve in it and see. They have business loans and lines of credit available, quick application, same day approval. Okay, let's go down to the right business financing solution for you. The first one we're going to discuss is business line of credit. Getting a business loan in the form of a line of credit gives you control over your working capital, so that you can, you can, how do they say, charge your business forward. That's their motto, by the way. You can withdraw funds at any time to avoid missing out on any growth opportunity that comes your way. So here's the benefit of this. You pay for what you use from your credit limit. You replenish available credit after every payment. You get low payments with longer repayment terms with your business line of credit. Now, let's look at business term loan. Okay. Now, this is a quick business loan with a fixed rate and a repayment period, like an installment loan, right? And so it's designed for your company to grow. That's what a business term loan is. And they have multiple business term loan options, and you decide which terms and rates work for you and your business. Now, you see the difference between a business term loan and the business line of credit. They deposit the full amount into your account, versus you using it as you go. You can save on interest at time of full prepayment. So if you prepay, save on that interest, and you're eligible for listen to this, you're eligible for new terms once the loan is 50% paid. Wow, that's awesome. They have a quick application, same day approval. Okay, so let's look at this. how we compare against other lenders. So, Idea Financial, no origination or annual fee. It doesn't affect your credit score. Now they do a soft pull, but they will not do a hard pull. You know how a lot of times when you're applying for credit and they do a soft pull, but once you accept the offer, it becomes a hard pull. Well, that's not the case here. Yeah, and they soft pull from Experian. So again, they will never do a hard pull. They have paperless application. They have quick approval and funding, and it builds your business credit. And I'll discuss that more further down. All right. And you have a dedicated business advisor. That means every time you call, you're not speaking with someone different. You have someone who's assigned to your file, to your loan. And that's who you deal with. That's so much better than every time you call, you're speaking to a different person, and the person before them didn't put the notes in properly. None of that. None of that. So let's go down to some frequently asked questions. Now this is where I want to go. What information do you need for me to apply? Okay. Idea Financial offers a quick and efficient paperless application process broken down into 3 steps. First, they ask for basic details about your business, such as your business, the time in business, the type of business, the business entity. Is it a LLC, a S Corp, or C Corp? And your revenues. That's important to them. And by the way, they do not loan to sole proprietors. Okay, you must be a legal entity. All right. Then they ask for the business owner information, including ownership structure and social security number. Are you 100% owner of the company? Are you 50%? What is it? They want that information and your social security number. And last, they will secure connection to your business bank account for bank statements for the most recent 6 months. So more than likely, they're going to use Plaid or something, or a company like Plaid, so that they can have access to your banking information. So this is important. It's important that when you're applying for loans and any business credit or business loans, you want to make sure your bank rating is you have a good bank rating, a 4 or 5. What that means is 5 is very good, 4 is good. So you have a 4 or 5, then you're good. And what they look to see how many deposits you make per month. So you want to be making anywhere from 7 to 10 deposits per month. I want to make sure that you deposit more than you withdraw, and at the end of the month, that you don't have a negative balance, that you don't have any NSFs, a minimum of 2 years in business, 15,000 or more in monthly revenue, owners with 650 plus credit score, not a sole proprietorship or non-profit entity. Now, these are the qualifications for being financed by Idea Financial. Now, repayment periods vary from 6 months to 18 months. All right. How do they determine the rates? Rates are determined after their credit review. They use cash flow information, personal credit scores, and other metrics to determine your rate. Okay. Now, with something else I wanted to show you. This question says, can I build business credit with Idea Financial? Yes, you can. Idea Financial reports to main credit bureaus. They do not report to personal credit bureaus. They report to business credit bureaus. By financing your business and making your regular payments, you will build a strong business credit history. Again, I am going to put the link in the description below, and you can check this out. So we talked about lines of credit. We talked about term loans. We talked about the requirements to obtain a loan through Idea Financial, and there's so much more that I did not even touch. So please, if this is something you're interested in, click on the link in the description below and check it out. Hey, this is Miss Janet with JLS Success Central. If you like this type of content, press the like button, leave me a comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so thus far. Well, I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Keep coming back. Grace and peace, Miss Janet out.